Hey there everyone, welcome back. So I learned old school inward heel flips, which you'll see right here. And now I want to try to learn an old school 360 inward heel flip. So let's see if I can stomp one. Busted some hardware doing that trick. Now I only got two there, as you can see. Okay, so I stomped the old school 360 inward heel flip. I don't know why, but the shoelaces on these shoes just keep wrecking, and no matter if I get new pairs, they just keep tearing. Poorly designed skate shoes for that reason. I'm gonna have to get like some metal wire or something used that has laces from now on. That's funny that I broke another piece of hardware, so now I only got two. I'm gonna have to get two more. So give me some trick challenges down below in the comments because I want to get back into skateboarding. Whew, it's hot out, so make sure to like this video, comment down below with some trick challenge suggestions, and click that subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching everyone, stay safe, God bless you all, take care, and peace out.